What's happening, y'all? It's your boy Biggs coming at y'all with another trade recap and weekly recap. You know what I'm saying? It's February 14th. You know what I'm saying? Happy Valentines Day, you dig? But yeah, let's get right into it, man. I ain't gonna lie. I'm still sick, so bear with me. You dig? We had a lot of news today again. Retail sales, core retail sales, and then we had the red folder Trump's tentative bullshit. So he speak whenever he wants to fuck up the market, he'll do that and start speaking. You know what I'm saying? But it is what it is. All we can do is execute, right? So on the higher time frame, we are obviously very bullish. You know what I'm saying? We're breaking structure to the upside, and we are holding. Ultimately, what gave me my bullish bias was we held. We worked through it, but held this 4-hour fair value gap right here with the long wick to the downside. You know what I'm saying? We love to see that shit for bullish price action. You know what I'm saying? And then we had the core retail sales right here at 8:30, which didn't really do shit, but it did create some data lows, which caused me to be extra cautious for my bullish bias. So I already downsized a little bit just because I had to keep into consideration that we could come destroy these data lows for whatever reason. You know what I'm saying? So the market opened 9:30. We didn't really do shit but create these equal highs. We pushed up and then just created this doji candle, wicks to both sides. You know what I'm saying? And then we 10 minutes later or 15 minutes later, we did go and take those equal highs and then create a 5-minute gap, which is kind of what set the tone for the two trades I took to try to take London highs, right? So the first one I took was pretty much just a bullish continuation. We stabbed into this 5-minute fair value gap, like I just showed y'all. This one right here, 5-minute fair value gap, and then I believe this was a 2-minute trade, 2-minute inversion. Y'all know that, Drew. I love my inversions. So I took the 2-minute inversion, which ended up being a horrible fill because, you know what I'm saying, we inverted way up here, and there's not always a guarantee that it's going to invert right at where the gap starts. Like, for example, it's not always a guarantee, or it's not always a guarantee you're going to get a retest of the inversion. So sometimes you just need to get in on the close of it. And that's just the you know what I'm saying, the unfortunate truth about inversions. It's not always going to be a perfect inversion where it's down here at the start of the gap. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes it's up here, and sometimes it's too far up to even take. You know what I'm saying? But it is what it is. But yeah, we ended up taking this trade right here on the 2-minute, and then unfortunately we took these highs right here, which is my break-even point. Once you take these highs, I moved my stop to break even, but it had taken it and took my break even in the same candle, unfortunately, because my, what did it say, I bought 130, and then it was really like 131 because I tried to stack and add another one. So yeah, it took this high and then got break even at the same candle on the 1 minute, and then price ultimately ended up, you know what I'm saying, whiffing the London highs anyway, which I thought was kind of crazy because we were right there. And then came down, and even if I had the nicest entry, I would have got stopped at break even anyway. And then we created these equal lows here. I was gonna call it a day, but then I seen we had swept these equal lows, and ultimately we still held this 5-minute pretty nicely. We stabbed through it a couple times but couldn't break it. So I was willing to give one more chance to you know what I'm saying, take a buy to London highs. And at the same time, I seen we created a bullish SMT with ES, right? ES took this low right here, and then NQ did not. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna take one more buy if it presents itself out of this 5-minute gap. And then that's exactly what happened. I got in on the 1-minute inversion right here. It's a little tiny mug, but an inversion's an inversion. And then yeah, I took this buy right here. Low risk again, just because we've been chopping in this area for a little too long, you know what I'm saying? So it's already less probability, and then we still had these data lows here. So ultimately I only risked like one something. I think I ended up risking 2 because I ended up moving my stop to this SMT low just in case. But realistically, I didn't want to see price like go below here, so I could have had a better risk to reward. But it is what it is. I was playing it safe. And then yeah, and then I always knew that it wasn't a guarantee that this 5-minute gap right here was gonna invert. So I moved my stop to break even as soon as we stabbed into here, and then we ended up inverting it, which was nice. It gave me more confirmation to hold it to London highs. And then this was the trade that took it. took out London highs. You feel me? Made us a cool little profit, a little something, $308 across 4 accounts, of course. And let's get into the week I had. You know what I'm saying? So overall this week I only made 587. You know what I'm saying? Didn't trade. Monday set the tone for the week. It's always nice getting a win, you know what I'm saying, on a Monday, because it really sets the tone for the week. But I came in to this week with an L. And then didn't trade Tuesday because price action was garbage. And it was my birthday. So I was like, I'll be damned if I take a loss on my birthday. You know what I'm saying? I'll come back tomorrow. Had one break even trade on Wednesday. And then, yeah, yesterday we got a win. And then today we got a small win as well. So overall for the month, I'm up 752. Still 2 weeks of the month left. You know what I'm saying? It's two full trading weeks. So we'll see what that turns into. Hopefully I can pass these motherfuckers, but you know what I'm saying, nothing's guaranteed. But we're in a cool spot, man. We're in this 1800 area that I've been in for a fucking minute. But you know what I'm saying, price action hasn't been the best, so it is what it is, man. We move. But yeah, I hope you guys are staying safe in these markets, man. A lot of sporadic activity. This tentative Trump shit's been like every day this week. I don't know like what the fuck he's even talking about. But other than that, just a lot of red folders. But yeah, man, yeah, stay safe in these markets, man. Stay healthy. Don't get sick like me. Shit sucks. I haven't been sick in over a year. The shit got me off guard. But yeah, man. Thanks for tapping in, y'all. I love y'all, man. Y'all have a good one.